Hi, quick video here showing you how to remove a stage from a workflow. The example I have here is my management accounts workflow. Got a dashboard set up here, a few widgets, and you can see my list of stages here. I've decided I don't need the stage to review the job. Instead, we want to go straight from preparation to sending out to the client. So first things first, we have a job currently sat on this stage. Okay, Ben's Chippy, August 19. So you need to make sure you have no jobs sat on the stage that you're about to remove. Otherwise, you'll find when you come to click on that job card that you see, kind of no way of progressing it, and you'd have to reinstate the stage. So I can either undo to go back up a stage, or I can, progress on to the next stage. Either way, I just have to get it off of that stage. Of course, if you've got several hundred jobs, you can do those things in bulk, for which is a separate video. So jumping back to my dashboard, we should now see to review job has 0 jobs on it. So let's get rid of that stage. So we need to be over here. So to get here, we clicked on config. You need to be a super user to do that. And we clicked on edit workflow systems, and I drilled into my management accounts, and I clicked on the routes tab. So, first things first, keep an eye out for having multiple routes. In my management account system, I've got a route called 0 in-house, and I've got one called client bookkeeping. So we're going to need to do the removal on a per route basis. So first of all, let's do the 0 in-house. If we scroll down, we can see our stages. That's the blue rectangles awaiting info to prepare accounts. To review job. So there's the one that we wish to delete. So the way we do that is first of all to delete any steps that come out of that stage. So that's job reviewed, can send, and issues to resolve. So let's go ahead and get rid of those. That's one gone. And where's the other one? Okay, so now we have no way of going out of our to review job stage. We have one step coming in, that's the accounts drafted button that goes from to prepare accounts, and we certainly want to retain that step, but we just need to click the edit button because instead of going to review job, it's going to go to send to client. So let's click save. So now my kind of in-house 0 workflow route is back to kind of not having the review stage. So that's all sorted. If we go I think my example job is on the, it's on the in-house one, so we can see that the stage is gone, totally removed. Jumping back to the editor, if you want to, of course, remove it from all of your routes, you'd then repeat that process. So we'd go into client bookkeeping here, we've got the same thing going on, so let's get rid of that step out, let's get rid of that step out, and let's edit the step in, go to send to client. So now none of our workflow routes use this stage at all. And the stage still exists. It's still available for selection. We could add a new step and go into it. So if we want to totally remove it from the system, we click on the Elements tab, we scroll to find job stages, and we'll see there's our review job stage. It's not in any workflows, so we should find there's no jobs on it. It's not in any workflows, so we should find we're allowed to delete it. If you require any help with removing stages, editing workflows, or anything at all with Glide, please do click on the questions icon down here. That's going to bring up our knowledge base, but also it's got the ask button here, and this is how you can communicate with the Glide team. Thanks very much.